Blushers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leah. If you guys are new, today's video is going to be super fun. It's going to be a Target versus Walmart slime, and I've literally done so many of these I can't even keep track, but you guys seem to really like them. And I was actually really surprised when I went to Target and Walmart because they both have a ton of new pre-made slimes. So I'm really excited about today's video because there's actually some really good ones in this video. So if you guys want to keep seeing Target versus Walmart slimes, then give this video a thumbs up. And I'm also going to make a playlist for my Target versus Walmart slimes because I have so many of them. So if you guys want to check it out, click the link down below and you guys can watch all of them and be caught up. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get on into this video. So these first four slimes I got from Target, and this first one is from Orb Slimy, and I've gotten slimes from them before, but this is the first time I've seen this type of packaging and this type of slime. So they call this slime Buttery Fluff, and that is like the perfect description of the slime. It is so soft and buttery. I was like very shocked on this texture. I didn't think at first that I would like it, but the more I kept playing with it, the more I really liked it. This is like the first like true butter slime that I found in stores. So yeah, this one was great. Definitely give it a 2 thumbs up. I think this one is amazing. This next one is a Nickelodeon slime, and this one is a neon orange. And I've gotten Nickelodeon slimes before, but I've never seen it in this little small container. I've gotten like really large batches, so it was nice to see this little small one. And yeah, this one was actually pretty thick. I was pretty surprised, and the pops were amazing. I overall really like Nickelodeon slimes. I think they're one of the best store-bought slimes that are out there. This next Target slime is from Guava Toys, and this is the Fluffy Marshmallow Chick slime, and this is one of their limited edition Easter slimes. So yeah, this one was pretty good. I like the color of this one a lot. This one also had a buttery texture, but I will say I like the first slime better just because this one ripped a little bit and it wasn't as like stretchy. But yeah, overall this one was pretty good. I do like how soft it is, and it came with 3 little chicks, which I think was adorable. And yeah, overall, I mean, this one wasn't bad, but it wasn't like amazing. This last Target slime was a mix and mash slime, which had like a fluffy ocean side as well as a beach sand side. So I thought this was a fun concept, but I didn't really know how well these would like mix together because the slime felt a little stiff and it was just like regular sand, which I thought was like very interesting. But the slime ended up being a little stretchier than I thought. So yeah, I just went ahead and mixed the two together. So once the sand was all mixed together, it actually made a really unique feeling slime, and I actually really liked it. I've never felt any slime like this before, and I overall give this slime a thumbs up. These next slimes are ones that I got from Walmart. This first one is from Nickelodeon, and it is called Piece o' Cake, and it is supposed to be kind of like frosting, like piece of the cake. I don't actually know. I'm confused. But it doesn't, it smells like very fruity, and I don't actually love the scent, but I do really like the color, and it has like these little foam beads in it, which are really cute. It makes it look like it's like this frosting, like it makes it look like it's like the funfetti frosting. And I do really like the texture of this. I think it's super fun to play with. It has amazing pops, and yeah, it's just overall a really great slime. It does rip a little bit, but other than that, it's just so great. So this next slime is very similar to the last one. It's from Nickelodeon, and it's called Mint to Be, and it's kind of like a mint chip slime. And I've seen this one all over the internet, but I've never actually been able to find it in stores myself. So when I found it, I was super happy, and I picked it up. So yeah, this one is very similar texture to the last one. This one has a minty scent to it, and I actually prefer this scent better than the last one. I love how glossy it is, and the pops are amazing. This next one from Walmart is a glowing slime, and this one I didn't realize at the time, but this one is another jiggly slime. And you guys know, if you watch my channel, I'm not a huge fan of jiggly slimes just because I literally don't know what to do with it. Like, is there anything fun I could do with this? I'm not sure. I do really like the color of this, so that's always great. And yeah, this was unscented, and I literally don't know what else to say about this, so I'm just gonna stop talking. And this last slime from Walmart is from Compound Kings, and this is called their color changing slime. This was a super thick slime, and I've gotten slime from Compound Kings in the past, and they're always so thick, like to the point where you can't even pop the bubbles because it's so thick. It's so crazy. But I do really enjoy this slime, and I do like the texture of this, and I wanted to test it out and see if it would actually be color changing. So it wasn't changing on its own, so I just took some really hot water and put in half of the slime, and it did start changing colors, and it changed into like a white, like lightish purple color. It was kind of weird. But yeah, I wish it would change into like a different color instead of just white. I feel like if it would change into like pink, that would be really cool. But I think overall this is a really cool concept, and I love that it actually changes colors. But overall, I think this is a really great slime, and I'm very aware that I say overall like all the time. So I apologize, but I don't know what other word to use. Sorry. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Who do you guys think won? Was it Target or Walmart? Cast your votes down below and see what everybody else says. You know, read the comments, like somebody's comments. You know, let's just have a fun time down there in the comment section, because it's actually so much fun. Who else just like doesn't watch videos and they just like read the comments while you're like listening to the video? I do that all the time. And also, if you guys weren't aware, I actually have my own slime shop. So I will also leave my announcement video to my slime shop right here so you guys can check that out as well. And I want to say thank you to everybody who has bought from me so far. It means the world to me, and it's just so much fun to like package up your slime and send it to you guys. And if you guys receive some of my slime, then definitely tag me on Instagram at West Coast Slime Shop. And yeah, that's the name of my slime shop. I don't think I said that here, but it's West Coast Slime Shop, and you guys can check me out on Instagram. Okay, and before I forget, I'm gonna go ahead and shout out my notification squad members. So here you are right here. So thank you guys so much for being a part of the blusher squad, and if you guys want to be featured in one of my next videos, then make sure to hashtag blusher squad down in the comments. You also have to subscribe and push the notification bell so that you guys can be one of the first people to, you know, comment, and those are the people that I always feature, are like the first ones to comment, because then I know that they're a part of the blusher squad if they're being notified. Anyways, I hope you guys all have a great day. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Peace and blessings.